Hey folks, so this weekend I was down at the beach at Wildwood in New Jersey and having a great time, and I brought some of my Anatometal plugs because they're some of my favorite plugs. I think they're really pretty, they really matched with my outfits for the beach. I really like them. I, however, was not super smart and wore them on a day that we did end up going into the ocean. And now, well, they're looking not so hot. The salt and the seawater definitely made them look a little dingy. So come along with me while we go ahead and polish these back up to their natural shine. And let me show you how to fix plugs like this and take care of them properly when this sort of thing happens. The first step is I'm just going to rinse them under some running water and just make sure that there's no sand, no salt, no debris, nothing like that left in or around the plug. So we're just kind of gently rinsing them off, and then I'm going to pat them dry with a soft cloth. I think in these moments it's really easy to get like paranoid. I know when one of the friends that was at the beach with me saw my plugs after the day at the beach, they were like, "Oh my God, Lynn, your plugs aren't those expensive. Like, are they ruined? Are they broken?" So I'm hoping to make this video that if you do this to your expensive plugs, you realize that you have not in fact broken them or ruined them, and they can be salvaged. So that was a time lapse because that took quite a while. That is about 25 minutes of solid polishing, about a half hour. It's still not perfect, but I want to get the other one done, and then if I decide to do like a secondary pass and really like clean either one of them up, I will. But let's take a peek at the differences now between the two of them now that one is polished. So there you have it, folks. A little bit of elbow grease, a little bit of polishing, sitting down with like your favorite episode of your show or part of a movie or something, and just sitting there and getting them polished, and they are looking pretty darn close to good as new. There's definitely some little nooks and crannies I want to get into, but honestly, my hands are just tired and I have other stuff I got to get done today. But hopefully this helps, and if you accidentally take metal, especially brass or bronze or silver with you to the beach or the ocean, know that that salt water is going to patina things pretty quickly, and also know that it's not going to completely damage your jewelry. It's just going to kind of make it look a little funky, and you can polish it right up. Now, if you like that patinaed look, you can leave it, but I would not suggest using the beach to patina your metal hangers because that can cause damage to your pieces, but contact the manufacturer and ask how they would recommend naturally allowing that patina to grow in a way that's not damaging to the piece. But I'm super stoked on how these polished right back up. All it took was a little bit of time and effort, and they're saved.